7 Best Webcam Apps to Enhance Your Webcam Experience. With the remote work culture taking over the world, webcams are back in business in complete form. Here are some of the best webcam apps to take your video conferencing and live stream experience to another level. 1. YouCam. Ucam is a free webcam application for Windows with various tools, functions, and entertaining effects. It works with streaming platforms including Twitch, Facebook Live, and YouTube Live. 2. ECamm Live. ECamm Live is powerful live streaming and video producing software for Mac users. From interview mode to virtual camera to preview, record only, profiles, overlays, and more, it is jam-packed with incredible capabilities. 3. SplitCam. SplitCam webcam software delivers fun webcam effects to make your video conversations with pals more enjoyable. It is also the simplest tool for dividing a camera video feed. 4. AlterCam. AlterCam is a virtual web camera program with many effects, overlays, and underlays. In addition to the effects, the program can split your camera video among other programs, preventing future instances of the webcam busy issue. 5. Snap Camera. Using the webcam on your computer, Snap Camera lets you add lenses to your face. You only need to select Snap Camera as your webcam device to utilize Snap Camera with your preferred third-party live streaming service and all video chat programs. 6. Logitech Capture. Logitech Capture is not just a video recorder but also acts as a basic encoder for live streaming. PIP or picture-in-picture mode can be enabled by using the Logitech Capture program. 7. ManyCam. ManyCam is a virtual camera and live streaming software that is really easy to use. It helps users deliver live videos of professional quality to streaming platforms, video conference apps, and remote learning tools. Conclusion. Increasing remote work has made webcams necessary and an integral part of the modern work culture. The webcam software listed in this video can help you look your professional best as you make high-profile presentations from the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching.